Hello, I am back, the start of week 3. Christmas is so close. This is day 15 that I want to show you. Hope you're enjoying these videos so far. I will definitely be purchasing this again next year. I feel like there's a wait list, so I'll put all the links down below. What are we thinking? I'm thinking a mug. We have already had one mug, and you can never have too many, so he is hoping. Oh my God, no, it's better than a mug. Better than a mug. It's a tin. It's not just a tin, it's a tin with things in it. Oh my Lord, it is jam-packed. Okay, so these, if you don't know, are to put around your little bobbins and things, stop all the threads going everywhere. And these you can kind of put a bobbin on top and then stick it in your thread to keep them all together. Geez Louise, we've got thimbles. I love all these bright colours. These are more little things to snap around your spool so it keeps all the threads tidy. And I'm assuming these are as well. I've not seen these before, so these are fun. Oh wow, that is a whole lot of goodies. Look at this tin though. It's got like a little needle design on it. I'm loving it. Day 15 is a winner. Oh look, it's even got a stitched love heart. Might not be coming across very well on camera. This is a jam-packed one. This is a good one. I will see you tomorrow for day 16. Hello, day 16. Now this one wasn't sealed, so I've been very good not peeking. Oh, got a couple of things in here. Okay, look how stinking cute this is. A little pin magnet, holds pins and needles, and it looks like a little pop socket type thing. Yeah, look, it's got like a little suction thing. Let me get it off. Oh, how cute is that to have on your desk? I've not seen those before. And then, I think you know what this is. The one that you snap around and then you can put the pins on your wrist. I'm not sure I'll use that, but you know what, it'd be a great gift for someone. Obviously, we re-gift anything we're not going to use. Oh, it says, "So along with me, the best is yet to come." Let's test it out. I've got a couple of pins here. And the little kitty cat as well. Yes, pleased with that. Thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow. Hello, day 17. And it's a bit rattly, isn't it? I wonder what it could be. I love, who doesn't love twinkly lights? And they've got little stars on them, Missouri stars. Right, I'm opening this straight away. So battery operated LED string lights. Wow, where did they come up with the ideas from? I just love all this gorgeous decor that I'm going to have in my new craft room. Well, I'm going to have it in this craft room. But yeah, these are so cute. Yes, that's definitely a win. I actually thought it may have been a little puzzle or something because of the rattling. So really happy with that. Hello, we're on day 18 and I've been looking forward to this one. It's quite a chunky one. It is a chunky one. Oh my gosh. We have got a couple of things. Okay. We've got a quilt pattern for 10-inch squares, so perfect for layer cakes, I guess. And you see the pattern. And then I presume this is matching 400 piece 20 by 20 inch square quilt block puzzle. So jigsaw puzzle, that's gonna be great. But even just as great is getting a quilt pattern. So overall size is 72 by 72, so a nice square one. And oh yeah, look, looks pretty good. Yes, I'm pleased with this one. Yes, this is a great one. And I'm going to enjoy this over Christmas break. I've got a week off work, so definitely going to have fun with this. It's going to be a hard one, isn't it? With the pieces like they are. Not for a beginner. I will see you tomorrow. Hello, it's day 19. First day of my holidays as well. So I'm excited to open this one. It's a hot one today. So apologies for the mess. Oh, right, this has got to be the best so far. And I've not even taken it out. This is the best so far. I've seen big versions of this. So this is going to be perfect while we're away over Christmas. And it's in a tin as well. Let me take the wrapper off. I'm so excited. Can you see it? So it's Ingrid's Wildflowers Mini Blooms Embroidery Kit. Oh, yes. Try not to let everything fall out. So we've got a hoop. All these gorgeous threads. I know there's a pattern inside. I've seen the big one. And I thought if that was on sale Black Friday, I'd get it. But obviously I didn't. And I'm glad I didn't now because look at this. Oh, this is perfect. This great start of my Christmas holidays, I have to say, can't get any better. And a cute little tin to keep afterwards as well. So many threads to be able to reuse. It's got 20 unique designs, stitch by stitch instruction cards. Yes, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. We are day 20, so we really are counting down to the last few days of this advent calendar. You would have only just seen yesterday. I'm still reeling from yesterday. That cannot be topped. It was my favourite one so far. Maybe also the charcuterie board. Yeah, there's been a few. Day 20, let's have a look. I'm thinking fabric. Feels quite soft. Yes, I was right. Oh, there's no instructions, no papers. It's obviously a panel. Let me stand up. Let's have a look at this. Intriguing. There's no note. I wonder if we're going to get something tomorrow. Or maybe we've already had something that this would work with. Maybe, oh no. I was going to say, maybe the pattern we had with the jigsaw puzzle with the 10-inch squares, but these are definitely bigger than 10-inch. I'm not sure. But, gotta love a panel. Day 1 was a panel, if you remember, Christmas one. Yes, great colours in that one as well. Yes, pleased with day 20. We have come to the end of week 3. We're at day 21. So after I've opened this one, I'll be getting all of the videos I've recorded for the past week, all edited, mushed together, and then you'll be watching it. We're getting very close to Christmas. I hope you're getting organised. We're pretty organised for once this year, so enjoying the time off work. Oh, interesting. Let me show you. So some kind of bag kit, maybe. We have So Light fusible woven interfacing. Look at this. Simple quilty shoulder bag. That might be a better view. I've never constructed a bag with hard work. Oh, that looks cute as well. Look, they've embroidered on that. So, you know what? I reckon that, yes, this is yesterday's fabric. I knew it. I knew something had to be in the works. That's a great colour for a bag. And great pattern as well. Yes, I got time off work, so I'm going to make all of the things and you will see, you'll see the chaos that ensues. Can't go wrong with all of this. This is great just for one day. It's a lot. And yes, it says embellish. So I reckon with my favourite embroidery kit, where they've done little flowers and things in the squares, I'm definitely going to do that before I construct it together. So it's all coming together. It all makes sense. Project pattern for a panel, 10 inch by 6.5 by 10.5. Cool. Only a few more days left. I'm going to be so sad. So the next video you see will be the last 4 days, and I'll also do a very quick run through of the every day as well, right at the end of that video. I've been taking pictures every day for my Instagram, so it's literally just the photos just as a recap, whilst you've already seen all these quick videos. But apart from that, I'm going to say thanks for watching and have a great crafting weekend.